Welcome all to Swami Surya YouTube channel. Today's video is about the famous Narayaniyam, which was written by Melpattur Narayana Bhattadripada in Guruvayur temple. He was in Guruvayur temple for 100 days. In 100 days, he prepared this Narayaniyam Grantham containing 1000 shlokas. Out of these 1000 shlokas, today's video will be about one shloka in Dashakam 8 and shloka number 13. This particular shloka is intended to cure whatever disease a person is having. So whatever disease a person is having, and in case he chant this mantra with devotion, complete devotion, his disease will be cured instantaneously. That is the belief. But before chanting this mantra, we have to chant the divine names of Lord Mahavishnu in praise of him, or in respect of him, or with devotion to the Lord Mahavishnu. These simple mantras I will now tell. You have to chant the Dwadasha Namas of Mahavishnu. Keshavaya Namaha, Narayanaya Namaha, Madhavaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Vishnave Namaha, Madhusudanaya Namaha, Trivikramaya Namaha, Vamanaya Namaha, Sridharaya Namaha, Rishikeshaya Namaha, Padmanabhaya Namaha, Damodaraya Namaha. There are 12 names of Lord Mahavishnu. Each name should be chanted at least for 36 times. So it will become around 442, something like that. Then you have to additionally chant Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Shri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha. These three namas also, each 36 times. After chanting these divine names of Lord Mahavishnu, we have to chant that 13th mantra, which I will now tell. Asmin Paratman Nanupatma Kalpe Tomitta Mutta Pita Patma Yonihi Ananda Bhuma Mama Rogarashim Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishnu. In this, Mama Roga Rashim Nirundi. This is the important sentence. Mama means my, Roga disease, Rashim any number of diseases, Roga Rashim, many diseases, Nirundi, it should be removed. That means we are requesting Lord Mahavishnu, Vadalaya Vasa Vishnu, who is residing in Guruvayur, He Bhagavan, who is residing in Guruvayur, please free me from all my diseases. This is the meaning of Mama Roga Rashim Nirundi. So after chanting all these mantras, one has to chant this mantra also. Any number of times he can chant, 8 times, 9 times, 18 times, 36 times. But along with this mantra, Narayaniyam mantra, please add Gayatri mantra also. Om Bhur Bhuvassuvaha Tatsa Vidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. This is a very sacred mantra. Each Gayatri mantra will give additional strength to the Narayaniyam mantra or to any other mantras. Whatever mantras you are chanting, if you add Gayatri mantra, that Gayatri mantra will give additional strength to the mantras that we are reciting. This is the value of Gayatri mantra. Please chant Gayatri mantra and this particular Asmin Paratman mantra and divine names of Mahavishnu. And any person who is doing this exercise will get very good body strength. He will be cured from all his diseases. This is happening to many people, and this particular mantra has been recommended to his devotees by one of the Madhadipadis of Kanchi Madam in Tamil Nadu. So this particular mantra is very famous in Tamil Nadu. In YouTube you can find so many people reciting this mantra. There are so many people. So this is my additional exercise. Please chant this mantra. If anybody is having any diseases, you will be completely get cured. And you will get additional guidance from our Google Meet every day from 5 a.m. to 6:20 a.m. We are conducting meditation classes with these divine names every day, and additionally Gayatri Mantra and Lalita Sahasranama. If you can attend that Google Meet meditation classes, you will get complete information about this particular mantra. Please contact us over mobile. Our mobile number is available in the description box. So please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to your known people and your friends and relatives so that each and everyone will get benefited. So any disease, including cancer, including any chronic disease, can be cured by chanting this mantra daily with full devotion to Lord Mahavishnu and Gayatri Devi. Kindly do it, get maximum benefit. Thank you all.